comes to very prestigious brand, Artistry stands in number 4. So definitely quality is there. And this is Australian actors. Teresa Palmer is the brand ambassador for the Artistry in Australia and New Zealand. They don't use any chemicals in that. They use only herbs and vitamins in the Artistry products, so we can see instant results quickly. And this is all about Artistry. I'm going to just talk about Artistry Essential range. We have different range in Artistry products, like Youth Extrain and Artistry Essential. In Artistry Essential, there are a lot of products, but I'm going to just cover only about these basic systems which normally be used for on daily basis. If I do any SAMs, I normally recommend first basic skincare system, not all the targeted or any treatment products. Let's start we have two skincare range, like hydrating system and balancing system. Hydrating system has recommended for normal to dry skin type, and balance system is recommended for normal to oily skin type. Okay. I don't want to cover a whole lot of things, just like how I do by using these products. Especially when I do SAMs, if customer is below 27, I definitely go for essential range. If customer is above 27 age old, definitely I will suggest to go with the Youth Extrain or any other range. But it depends on skin type, how their skin is. If skin is very young looking skin, so definitely essential range is really works really good for them. Okay, so each system has 3 different products: cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. When you use it, you will come to know. Cleanser, what it does, it cleans dirt and oil, any impurities on our skin. It will clean whole face. This is the first system with the first cleanser. Then next comes toner. Toner will remove all leftover cleanser and it will prepare for the next treatment. Okay, and toner we should use after the cleanser and before the moisturizer or lotion. And the third one is moisturizer or lotion. Moisturizer, it has SPF 15, so it will protect our skin by UVA and UVB rays. And same with the balance system also. It has 3 systems like cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Especially the balancing system has recommended for the oily skin. So what it does is a cleanser. It will control it will remove all sebum layer or debris layer. Sebum is the oil producing layer which will occur in the top layer of the skin. Okay, so it will cleanse that sebum layer from the skin, and again it will maintain the oil production throughout the day, especially the balancing system.